I am his teacher, an editor, an economist, and the social reformers, and director of 5 industries, independent director. So in course of my dealing with my employees and my colleagues, I find one thing: everyone is born with a talent, but that talent he cannot translate, he cannot speak up because of his English barrier. So, what I say, Mr. Liakat is doing this awesome job, this hard job, and it is his passion to teach people and to make a 10,000 takas employee to a lakh taka employee. Just because of a little bit English, progressive English, he is sold in the market, not only in Bangladesh, also in abroad, in higher salary. So, আমাদের যে foreign exchange remittance of he is helping. He is helping the people to get more foreign exchange. If I export a vodka, he gets $300. But if we export a qualified person, he gets $3,000. So, in a big gap of revenue, আমাদের GDP তে Mr. Liakat is contributing. So, my thanks to Liakat as an economist, that he is doing a wonderful job. God bless.
Thank you very much, dear sir. You are with Liakat's English, and you will be with Liakat's English forever.
Yeah, thank you.
Want to see you more.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Well,
Have a nice
this opportunity.
Pray for my senior brother and
Inshallah.
senior mentor.
Inshallah.
Allah Hafiz. Take care.
Thank you.